So we just got out of the Uffizi and we're walking towards the Ponte Vecchio right now on the river Arno.
And then we're getting picked up
So we're on the Ponte Vecchio, right? And it's basically jewelry shops, like silver, diamonds, necklaces. Gold. It's the main tourist attraction because there's a lot of good views from the bridge. You want to check out the view? Okay, here we are. Don't fall. So actually, we were just, where were we? We were over there.
Go by the arches.
Yeah.
The arches.
So we were just in that building. That's the Uffizi. And we're now on the Ponte Vecchio, on the Arno. There's the Altro Arno. Oh look, there's some masks, like from Venice. Oh fuck. Where? Okay, we're leaving the Ponte Vecchio on our way for lunch.
What do you want to get? Or like, do you want to stop?
What do you feel like?
Like kind of like that thing when you say get like appetizer.
I kind of want pizza.
Well, you know, most places here you can get pizza. And I kind of feel like pizza.
Yeah.
Like I want to sit down.
Yeah, I want to sit down, eat some pizza. So we're at a restaurant right outside the Duomo, and I ordered a pizza fiorentina, and you ordered, what'd you get?
I got a pasta dish called strozzapreti del fiore. Like this kind of handmade pasta with a really good tomato sauce and also some ricotta and spice.
And right outside the Duomo. Probably, let me guess, how much do you think the meal will be total?
For just the two of us, like, I don't know, 50.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess 34 euros.
34.
Yeah.
So this is our food. This is my pasta, and this is his pizza.
What's it called?
Strozzapreti. It's the type of pasta, and this is the fiorentina, which has two different kinds of meats and mozzarella, tomato sauce, and this.
What is it?
Mushrooms.
Mushroom fungi. Looks good. Buon appetito.
First bite of the strozzapreti. This is pecorino.
Okay, we're in the market in Florence Centro.
Some purses, lots of purses, interesting socks, Italia,
Quanto costa?
dogs, cheese.
Quanto costa? I don't know. Marijuana. One of those?
No. This one.
So we're kind of lost. We forgot to find out where the pickup place or the return location for the bus was. So we're at this bus stop. As you can see, maybe this is it? No? Indicatore? Anyway, who knows? I think we're lost at the bus stop. We'll see if we survive. I don't know.